If you're over 60, these 7 beloved nighttime foods could silently triple your stroke risk while you sleep. No chest pain, no warning signs. Just one moment you're peacefully dreaming, and the next morning you wake up unable to speak, your face drooping, or your leg refusing to move. As a neurologist who's treated thousands of stroke patients, I've noticed a disturbing pattern among seniors, and it's not about smoking, lack of exercise, or high cholesterol. It's about what they eat right before bed, thinking these are harmless comfort foods. Every night, millions of older adults reach for these 7 foods as their go-to bedtime snacks. They believe these help them sleep better, satisfy late-night hunger, or simply bring comfort. But what they don't realize is that these seemingly innocent habits are quietly setting their brain up for disaster during the most vulnerable hours of sleep. Today, I want to reveal exactly why these 7 common bedtime foods become silent stroke triggers for seniors, especially between 2 and 6 a.m. when your body's natural defenses are at their weakest. If you've ever enjoyed any of these as late-night snacks, this information could literally save your life. Before we begin, I'd love to know your experience. Have you ever questioned whether your bedtime snacks could be dangerous? Type 1 in the comments. If you're curious to learn more about nighttime nutrition, type 0 if this is completely new information. And if brain health matters to you or someone you love, don't forget to like this video. Now, let's start with the most shocking discovery of all. The first food that could turn your peaceful sleep into a medical emergency. Food number 1, aged cheese. You've probably heard that cheese is a good source of protein and calcium. That's true during the day when your body is active. But here's something most seniors are never told. Eating aged cheese before bed can dramatically spike your blood pressure and increase clot formation while you sleep. I know this sounds alarming, but I've witnessed it firsthand with my own patients. Let me share the story of Mrs. Helen Rodriguez, a 78-year-old retired teacher from Texas. She was vibrant, mentally sharp, and lived independently. Every night for over 15 years, she enjoyed the same bedtime ritual: a small plate with sharp cheddar cheese and whole grain crackers while watching the evening news. She called it her comfort hour and believed the protein helped her sleep through the night. But what Helen didn't know was that this nightly routine was slowly building up a perfect storm in her cardiovascular system. One Tuesday morning, her neighbor found her confused and unable to speak clearly. Her left arm was completely paralyzed. A massive stroke had occurred sometime during the early morning hours. The culprit? Aged cheese contains extremely high levels of tyramine, a compound that triggers dangerous blood pressure spikes during sleep. Most aged cheeses also contain 1,500 to 2,000 milligrams of sodium per serving. When you consume this before bed, your blood vessels constrict, your heart works harder, and your brain receives less oxygen during critical healing hours. Do you regularly eat cheese before bed? Type C in the comments if this concerns you. Food number 2, processed deli meats. If you thought cheese was bad, wait until you hear about processed deli meats. Turkey, ham, salami, and even those healthy low-fat options can be stroke disasters waiting to happen when consumed before bed. Let me tell you about Mr. James Patterson, an 82-year-old retired engineer from Michigan. James prided himself on eating lean protein before bed. Every night he would make himself a small sandwich with sliced turkey breast, thinking he was making a healthy choice. He avoided fatty foods, chose low-sodium options, and kept his portions small. 3 months into this routine, James began experiencing what he described as pressure headaches that occurred only at night. Then came episodes of rapid heartbeat that woke him from deep sleep. One Thursday night, James woke up with crushing chest pain, and his blood pressure had spiked to dangerous levels. Here's what most people don't realize about processed meats. Even the healthy versions contain nitrates and nitrites, preservatives that convert to dangerous compounds in your digestive system. During sleep, when your body's detoxification processes slow down, these compounds can trigger what we call nitrate-induced hypertension. Your blood vessels suddenly constrict, blood flow to the brain decreases, and stroke risk multiplies. The sodium content in processed meats is also deceptive. A single serving can contain up to 1,200 milligrams of sodium, and that's for the reduced sodium varieties. Regular deli meats can contain over 2,000 milligrams per serving. Are you eating deli meats as bedtime snacks? Type D in the comments if you're concerned about this hidden danger. Food number 3. Salty snacks and crackers. This might surprise you, but those innocent-looking crackers, pretzels, and chips that seniors love to munch on before bed are silent stroke triggers. Even the ones marketed as healthy or whole grain can be dangerous. Mrs. Dorothy Chen, a 74-year-old retired librarian from California, thought she was making smart choices. Instead of cookies or candy, she chose whole grain crackers with a small amount of hummus as her bedtime snack. She believed the complex carbohydrates would help her sleep, and the fiber was good for her digestion. What Dorothy didn't know was that most crackers contain hidden sodium levels that can exceed 800 milligrams per serving. When combined with the natural sodium in hummus, she was consuming over 1,200 milligrams of sodium right before bed. One Saturday morning, Dorothy's daughter found her mother sitting on the edge of her bed, confused and unable to move her right side. Here's the dangerous part about salty snacks before bed. Your kidneys, which normally filter excess sodium, slow down dramatically during sleep. Your body also produces less urine, meaning sodium stays concentrated in your bloodstream for hours. This creates what I call midnight sodium overload, a condition where your blood becomes thick and sluggish, perfect for clot formation. Even seemingly healthy options like whole grain crackers, rice cakes, and baked chips can contain shocking amounts of hidden sodium. The worst part is that your taste buds become less sensitive to salt as you age, so you might not even realize how much sodium you're consuming. Have you checked the sodium content in your favorite bedtime crackers? Type S in the comments if you're shocked by these numbers. Food number 4. Canned soups and broths. Many seniors believe that a warm bowl of soup before bed is the perfect comfort food. It's liquid, easy to digest, and seems like a healthy choice. But here's the terrifying truth about canned soups and broths. They're sodium bombs that can trigger strokes during sleep. Mr. Robert Thompson, an 80-year-old retired mechanic from Ohio, had been enjoying a cup of chicken broth before bed for years. He chose low-fat organic varieties and believed the warm liquid helped him relax. What Bob didn't realize was that even 1 cup of canned broth contains between 900 and 1,500 milligrams of sodium. The process is insidious. Each night, the massive sodium load from the broth caused Bob's blood pressure to spike during sleep. Over months, this repeated stress damaged the delicate lining of his blood vessels. One morning, Bob woke up with severe dizziness and slurred speech that lasted for 10 minutes. A mini-stroke that was a warning of worse things to come. Canned soups are even worse. A single serving can contain over 2,000 milligrams of sodium, plus preservatives and artificial flavors that can trigger inflammatory responses in older adults. Even the heart-healthy and low-sodium versions often contain 600 to 800 milligrams per serving. During sleep, your body temperature drops and your blood naturally becomes more viscous. When you add the sodium overload from canned soups, you're creating a perfect storm for what emergency doctors call sluggish blood syndrome, blood that's too thick to flow properly through brain vessels. Do you drink broth or soup before bed? Type B in the comments if you're realizing this connection. Food number 5. Pickled foods and olives. This one might shock you because many people think pickled foods are healthy. Pickles, olives, pickled vegetables, and fermented foods like sauerkraut can be stroke disasters when consumed before bed, especially for seniors. Let me tell you about Mrs. Margaret Wilson, a 73-year-old retired school principal from Arizona. Margaret loved what she called her Mediterranean snack, a small bowl of mixed olives and pickled vegetables before bed. She'd read about the health benefits of fermented foods and believed she was supporting her digestive health. What Margaret didn't understand was that pickled foods contain astronomical levels of sodium. A single serving of olives can contain over 600 milligrams of sodium, and pickled vegetables can contain even more. But here's the truly dangerous part. Pickled foods also contain high levels of histamine, a compound that can trigger severe blood pressure fluctuations during sleep. Within just a few weeks of this routine, Margaret noticed she was feeling dizzy in the mornings and her blood pressure kept climbing. One night, she experienced what doctors call a pickled food crisis. Her blood pressure spiked so high that tiny blood vessels in her brain began to leak. The combination of extreme sodium levels and histamine creates what I call double danger for seniors. Your blood vessels constrict from the sodium while simultaneously becoming inflamed from the histamine. During sleep, when your body's natural regulatory systems are reduced, this combination can be lethal. Even worse, many pickled foods contain vinegar and other acidic compounds that can interfere with blood-thinning medications that many seniors take. The interaction can either make the medication less effective or dangerously increase its effects. Are you eating pickled foods before bed? Type P in the comments if this applies to you. Food number 6. Chocolate and cocoa products. Many seniors enjoy a small piece of chocolate or a cup of hot cocoa before bed, thinking it's a harmless treat. But chocolate, especially dark chocolate, contains compounds that can be dangerous for older adults when consumed before sleep. Mr. Frank Miller, an 82-year-old retired postman from Florida, had developed a nightly ritual of enjoying 2 squares of dark chocolate with his evening tea. He'd read about the antioxidant benefits of dark chocolate and believed he was doing something healthy for his heart and brain. What Frank didn't know was that dark chocolate contains significant amounts of caffeine and theobromine, compounds that can cause dangerous heart rhythm changes during sleep. More importantly, chocolate contains tyramine, the same dangerous compound found in aged cheese, which can trigger sudden blood pressure spikes. Within a month of this routine, Frank began experiencing hot flashes in his face, a pounding sensation in his chest, and dizziness that came and went every morning. One night, he experienced what doctors call a chocolate-induced crisis. His heart rhythm became irregular, and his blood pressure spiked dangerously high. The problem with chocolate before bed is timing. During sleep, your heart rate naturally slows to allow for rest and recovery. But the stimulants in chocolate force your heart to work harder just when it should be resting. For seniors with existing heart conditions, this can trigger atrial fibrillation, a dangerous irregular heartbeat that dramatically increases stroke risk. Even milk chocolate can be problematic due to its high sugar content, which can cause blood sugar spikes and crashes during sleep, leading to stress hormone release that affects blood pressure. Do you eat chocolate before bed? Type CH in the comments if you're concerned about this. Food number 7. Frozen dinners and instant foods. The last food on our list might be the most dangerous of all because it's so common. Frozen dinners, instant noodles, microwave meals, and other processed convenience foods are loaded with hidden dangers for seniors, especially when consumed before bed. Mrs. Elizabeth Johnson, a 79-year-old widow from Oregon, relied on frozen dinners for convenience. She would heat up a healthy frozen meal before bed, believing she was getting balanced nutrition without the work of cooking. She chose options labeled heart healthy and low fat, thinking she was making responsible choices. What Elizabeth didn't realize was that frozen dinners are sodium catastrophes. Even the healthy versions contain between 1,200 and 2,000 milligrams of sodium per serving. But that's not the worst part. They also contain preservatives, artificial flavors, and stabilizers that can trigger inflammatory responses in aging bodies. The combination is deadly. The massive sodium load causes immediate blood pressure spikes, while the preservatives create inflammation in blood vessels. The artificial ingredients can interfere with natural sleep processes, and the high processing means your digestive system has to work overtime during hours when it should be resting. Elizabeth's wake-up call came when she experienced severe morning headaches and confusion that lasted for hours. Her blood work showed dangerous levels of sodium and inflammatory markers. Her doctor explained that her nightly frozen dinner habit was creating a perfect storm of stroke risk factors. The most insidious part about frozen foods is that they're designed to taste good despite being nutritionally empty. The high sodium masks the lack of real flavor, and the convenience factor makes them addictive. Many seniors fall into the trap of relying on these foods without realizing the devastating health consequences. Are you eating frozen dinners before bed? Type F in the comments if this hits close to home. What should you eat instead? Now you're probably wondering, what should I eat before bed instead? The answer might surprise you, because the best bedtime snacks for seniors are actually foods that support healthy blood flow and peaceful sleep. Let me introduce you to Mrs. Sarah Martinez, a 76-year-old retired nurse from Florida. When Sarah first came to see me, she was frustrated because she'd been following all the traditional health advice, but was still experiencing restless sleep, morning headaches, and occasional dizziness. The turning point came when we completely transformed her evening routine. Instead of the dangerous foods we've discussed, Sarah began eating what I call brain-friendly bedtime snacks, foods that actually support healthy circulation and peaceful sleep. Her new bedtime routine included a small handful of unsalted almonds, rich in magnesium to relax blood vessels, a few tart cherries, natural sources of melatonin for better sleep quality, a small piece of banana containing potassium to balance sodium levels, or sometimes a small serving of plain Greek yogurt with a drizzle of honey for stable blood sugar throughout the night. The transformation was remarkable. Within 2 weeks, Sarah's sleep quality improved dramatically. Her morning headaches disappeared, her energy levels increased, and she felt more mentally sharp throughout the day. Most importantly, her blood pressure readings, which had been creeping upward for years, began to stabilize. Some of the best bedtime snacks for seniors include a small handful of unsalted nuts for healthy fats and magnesium, a few dates or figs for natural sweetness and fiber, herbal tea with a small piece of whole grain toast, or a small serving of oatmeal with cinnamon for stable blood sugar and relaxation. Your action plan. The golden rule for senior nutrition is to finish eating these 7 dangerous foods at least 3 hours before bedtime. If you must have something closer to bedtime, choose easily digestible options like herbal tea or a small piece of fruit. Remember, at this stage in life, every choice compounds over time. The small decision to choose almonds over cheese, cherries over chocolate, or herbal tea over soup can have profound effects on your long-term brain health and quality of life. Your brain health journey starts with awareness, and awareness leads to better choices. You don't need to fear food, but you do need to understand how different foods affect your aging body, especially during the vulnerable hours of sleep. If any part of this information resonated with you, please share your thoughts in the comments. What's one change you'll make to your evening routine starting tonight? If you found this helpful, give it a like to help other seniors discover these life-saving facts, and please subscribe so we can continue learning and growing together. Remember, you're not alone on this journey, and it's never too late to make choices that protect your brain and preserve your independence. Your future self will thank you for the changes you make today.